Welcome to a Wednesday morning edition of First Shift from Los Angeles. I'm Jennifer Vaughn.
And I'm Tom Morabek. It is press preview day number 1 at the LA Auto Show. However, many automakers showed their newest cars and concepts on Tuesday.
Let's check them out. One by one, 7 generations of Porsche 911s drove by dealers, media, and celebrities. That's tennis star, Porsche brand ambassador Maria Sharapova. Then, the 8th Gen 911 pulled onto the stage at the automaker's Experience Center south of downtown LA. The turbocharged flat-6 engine on the next Gen 911 Carrera S and Carrera 4S produces 443 horsepower. That's an increase of 23 horses compared with the outgoing model. We asked Porsche CEO Oliver Blume to describe what it's like to drive the car.
It's fantastic. When you are on the road, it's even better than the last generation. And we made even wider our axles, and so you are very, very close to the road. And the engine has even more power than the last generation, and so it's a big step for us.
The retooled 911 also receives driver assistance systems and a new interior layout. The 2020 911 Carrera S starts at $114,250, while the Carrera 4S starts at $121,650. Both prices include shipping. Look for them to arrive in U.S. dealerships in the summer.
The vehicle coming through that garage door and heading directly toward your screen is the 2019 Honda Passport. Don't worry, the crossover stopped just inches away from our camera. Honda is packing the Passport with a 280 horsepower engine and off-road capability. It will slot between the compact CR-V and 3-row Pilot. American Honda Senior Vice President Henio Arcangeli Jr. tells us the automaker needed a vehicle in the popular midsize CUV segment.
We chose to develop Passport because what we found is we were losing customers that wanted an SUV that's perhaps a little bigger than the CR-V and probably didn't want a 3-row SUV like the Pilot. So by introducing the Passport, we should be able to capture many more customers that were leaving the Honda brand and also bring in some additional customers. So this is going to be incremental sales for the Honda brand in our dealers.
Honda says the Passport, which has a reinforced unibody frame, can handle terrain that is, quote, normally reserved for less refined body-on-frame or off-road focused SUVs. The Passport goes on sale early next year.
Rivian Automotive rolling out its R1S electric SUV on Tuesday, and it doesn't stray too far from the vehicle that joined it on stage, the R1T pickup, which Rivian debuted Monday. The SUV will be powered by the same quad motor system found in the R1T. The SUV offers seating for 5 or 7 passengers, depending on the battery configuration. Range begins at roughly 240 miles on a single charge. The R1S will be able to tow 7,700 pounds. And Rivian CEO RJ Scaringe says the SUV isn't delicate or afraid of the elements.
These are vehicles that are designed to be used. They're designed to, whether it's getting mud in the tires or sand in the interior or giving your kids the juice box in the back seat. These are designed to enable that active life, to take those adventures.
R1S deliveries are set to begin in 2021. Pricing for the base model begins at $72,500, excluding shipping, and before a $7,500 U.S. tax credit.
Mazda revealing the 2019 Mazda3 last evening. The redesigned compact car is rebuilt from the wheels up. It features a new take on the company's Kodo design language with more fluid curves and has a revamped interior. The new model offers 5 engine options, including a 1.8-liter diesel engine. The Mazda3 also packs an array of safety features to better protect occupants and pedestrians. The automaker plans to offer the redesigned car early next year in 2 body styles, sedan and hatchback.
broadcast journalist Tamron Hall helping BMW roll out its Vision iNext on Tuesday. The all-electric semi-autonomous crossover is a showcase of technologies being developed by BMW. Those include smart fabrics, touch-sensitive door handles, and next-gen batteries. BMW design chief Adrian Van Hooydonk says the shape of the iNext is highly emotional.
The design of our electric vehicles, I think, look very clean, bold and sexy. We're looking at a sports activity vehicle, and that car, of course, has to look powerful, but I think it does so with very little effort, and that's exactly how we think electric mobility feels.
The large crossover is slated to go into production in 2021 and is a flagship for the BMW i brand.
And BMW is considering a second U.S. manufacturing plant that could produce engines and transmissions. That's according to CEO Harold Kruger, who spoke with Reuters at the LA Auto Show. Kruger's comments came shortly after a report that President Donald Trump would impose tariffs on imported light vehicles starting next week. The automaker operates a vehicle assembly plant in South Carolina. And we will have much more from the LA Auto Show later today on Auto News Now.
And for breaking news, keep it locked at autonews.com.
Take care, everyone.